Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to set up auto reply in WhatsApp Business. Setting up an auto replies in WhatsApp Business is a great way to manage customer expectations without being glued to your phone 24/7. So open WhatsApp Business, right? And we're going to set up a away message for off hours, right? Maybe you're not glued to your phone. Maybe clients contact you in the middle of the night. Then you can just quickly send an automatic message to tell them that you will get back to them shortly, right? This automatically replies to customers who message you outside your designated business hours or when you are simply closed, right? Go to the business tools in the bottom middle here, press away message, right? And turn on send away message, right? For schedule, you can use outside of business hours, right? Maybe you work 5 days a week, 6 days a week, or maybe three days a week. Then you can go ahead and select the outside of business hours, and the AI will understand that maybe after 3 or 5 days, maybe on Fridays or Saturdays, then you can go ahead and activate this automation, right? Recipients should be for everyone, right? Potential clients, new clients, so make it general. And the message should be, thank you for your message. We are unavailable not right now, but we'll respond as soon as possible. Or if you have a different formula, you could go ahead and add your own formula. Okay. And basically hit save. Right. You could also set a greeting message for first-time customers. Right? A greeting message instantly welcomes anyone who sends you a DM for the very first time or after 14 days of no conversation history. So again, stay on the business tools, press greeting messages or greeting message, toggle on send greeting message. And now the recipient should be for everyone, obviously. And the message should be, thank you for contacting Ammar, or thank you for contacting us, your company, right? So thank you for contacting us. Please let us know how we can help you. If you have a different formula again, you can go ahead and set up your own different formulas, right? If you get tired of typing out the same pricing list, make sure to use the quick replies for recurring questions. So again, after setting up the greeting message or the away message or both, you can go ahead to the quick replies and answer the most common questions, right? This is the frequent asked questions here. So again, stay in the business tools, go ahead to the quick replies. Thank you for your message, right? Or the shortcut should be like, what's the price, whatever. You can go ahead and add the message, right? To activate this bot, right? Tell them that, this is the price, for example, right? Shortcut should be like price or pricing, right? When chatting with a customer, just type this, right? Or you don't need to do that. If simply typing pricing, then the bot will be activated immediately, right? When someone just types pricing, then instantly this message will be sent. Thank you for your business. We look forward to working with you again. Or you can answer basically, the pricing is this, that for this tier, that tier, etc. And then hit save, right? And basically that's it. You can write pre-written response, so you can go ahead and get rid of the most common question. Don't waste time answering the same thing over and over again. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.